Hi, we are doing area and perimeter exercise 20B, question number 21. The perimeter of a rhombus is 52 centimeter. If one diagonal is 24 centimeter, find the length of the other diagonal and the area. So we will first write down the information which we have. That is, the perimeter is 52 centimeter and one of the diagonal is 24 centimeter. Now suppose this is your rhombus. Find all the sides are equal in the rhombus and the diagonals of the rhombus bisect each other at 90 degree. That means this one diagonal will cut the other diagonal into equal portions and this diagonal will cut this diagonal in equal portions. Fine. So let the rhombus be A, B, C, D and the point of intersection of the diagonal be O. And AOD is 90 degree because the diagonals bisect each other at 90 degree. So first we will find the side with the help of perimeter. Perimeter is 4 into side because all the sides are same. So perimeter divided by 4 will give me the side of this rhombus. So what is the side of the rhombus? Perimeter is 52 divided by 4. So 52 divided by 4 is 13. So what is the side of the rhombus? It is 13 centimeter. Now let's draw this AOD like this. DAO. I have drawn this portion like this. This is one diagonal ka half. Let this be 20. One of the diagonal is 24. So this will become 12. Let it be. This diagonal be 24. Any of the diagonal can be 24. And this diagonal is say D2 ka half because this is another diagonal ka half. And this is the side of the rhombus. This is 13. Now again we will apply by Pythagoras theorem. By Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem is hypotenuse square. Hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square. This is perpendicular and this become base and this is the hypotenuse. So here we will see 13 square, that is the hypotenuse AD, the longest side, is equal to 12 square plus D, another diagonal, divided by 2 ka square. Yes, fine. So this is 13 square 169 is equal to 144 plus D, another diagonal, divided by 2 ka square. Now we will take 144 to the other side. It will become 169 minus 144 is equal to second diagonal divided by 2 whole square. 169 minus 144 is 25. So D2 by 2 square is 25. So what is D2? The second diagonal ka half. It is 25 ka square root. Okay. And half of the other diagonal is 5. So what will be the other diagonal? 5 into 2. That is 10 centimeter is the other diagonal. Okay. We have applied here Pythagoras theorem. And this diagonal, this DB is the second diagonal and DO is half of DB. Okay. Because the diagonals cut each other at 90 degree and they bisect each other. Make the other diagonal into half. So now what we have to find? We have found the first diagonal, length of the other diagonal. Now we have to find the area. Area is very easy. Half into D1 into D2. This is the rhombus ka area. Half D1. D1 is how much? One of the diagonal is 24. So it is 24. Another diagonal we found is 10. This get cancelled. Sorry. 12. This is 120 centimeter square is the area of this particular rhombus.